my God, I have a question for you, Nick. What is this thing?
This is a decibel reader. It reads sound, it tells you how loud things are.
Oh, let's do an experiment. We're in a Beazer home.
This is Albany.
Yeah, okay.
So what we're seeing is 30 range is library quiet.
Okay.
As you can see, the fluctuation in sound is us talking. Now let's see what a noisy neighbor sounds like with the TV volume up.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, he's turning it on. 45, 79, 100. All right. So it's going like, okay, now I can see it. Almost 70, 77.
Let's walk over to the next building.
All right. This is Albany. Let's go. And now we're going to go to the Cambridge. All right. With the doors closed.
Library quiet. That's quality right there. Nobody wants to hear their neighbor.
It's at 100 next door. And over here, it is at library quiet. Under 30 means library quiet. Or around 30?
Yep, come check us out. Call Yvonne.
Well, it's a big difference. That is why I bought a Beazer home.